Hello student, I am teaching you the second lesson of footprint without feet. And the second lesson is the thief's story. Story has been written by one of the most famous story writers of our country named Ruskin Bond. This story highlights the victory of honesty and trust. Let's go through the lesson. As the lesson says that I was still a thief when I met Anil, and thou only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. It means that the narrator himself is a thief, and he admits the fact that he met Anil when he was still a thief. He also admits this fact that even at the age of 15, he was an experienced thief. Next para. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. The second para says that the thief met Anil when he was watching a wrestling match. The para also says the appearance or get-up of Anil. Anil was 25 years old. He was a tall, lean fellow. He looked easygoing. That is, he loved very comfort life. Anil also appeared very kind, and all these features appeared very simple, very effective, very useful for the purpose of the thief. This para also says that the thief hadn't much luck of late. It means that for a long time he had not been successful in his business. And seeing all the positive features in Anil, he thought that he might be able to get into the young man's confidence, that is Anil's confidence. So he begins talking to him. Let's go through the lesson. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. So now I'm trying to clear all the things. As I told you earlier that the narrator or the thief saw Anil when Anil was watching a wrestling match. He went to him and found very perfect person for his purpose. He admits that for a long time his luck had not been cooperating him. He again thought or made up his mind to win the confidence of Anil. With this purpose, he began talking to Anil, and he told him that is the narrator told Anil that he himself looked like a wrestler. No, sorry. Sorry. तेरा फीड हो गया गड़बड़. The wrestler begins talking to Anil. Flatteringly, he told Anil that he himself looked like a wrestler. Anil replied that the thief also looked like a wrestler. But at the reply of Anil, the thief got scared, because that time he was very lean and thin. He was very thin. So seeing his body, no one could believe that he might be a wrestler. But as he was trying to win the confidence of Anil, he continued. He still began talking to Anil. Very politely, the thief replied, yes. And he admits the fact he also wrestled sometime. Anil asked his name. At this, the thief replied that his name was Hari Singh. Although it was not his name, as each and every month he kept a new name, which helped him to hide himself not only from the cops but also from his former honors. After this introduction, thank you.